Are you frustrated with always falling short in Block Blast? Do you feel like no matter how hard you try, your score just doesn't stack up? Well, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a game changing trick to help you dominate the leaderboard? Yes, you heard that right. Get ready to blow past your old scores and impress your friends with a simple yet powerful glitch. Let's dive in and transform your Block Blast skills today, Con, and hit replay until you get a vertical block. Once you have that vertical block, place it in the bottom right corner of the screen. Feel free to place the other blocks wherever you want. In the next round, you should get another vertical block. Place it exactly like I'm doing here, but make sure you leave one entire line open. You can place the other blocks anywhere, just don't fill the last two lines vertically from right to left. As you continue, the game will keep giving you vertical blocks. Keep placing them, filling up the lines as you go. Once you complete a line, place another vertical block and keep going. The glitch will keep giving you more vertical blocks, so just repeat this step and watch your score keep getting higher and higher. And there you go. That's how you can get a super high score with this glitch. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.